centuries ago, the craftsmen of northern Italy shaped into steel magnificent armor. That tradition would give birth to the Italian sports car. In a small workshop south of Atlanta, Audemars still being shaped by hand. Body panels of 20-gauge steel are shaped over wooden stumps, then smooth out using an English wheel and custom fitted to make each body panel perfect. All parts of this car is custom made by Mr. Monroy.